Okay, we got everything we need here to finish up the head. We've got the head here. We have a 1/2 inch dowel, which is going to get attached in here. We got this 3/4 by 3/4 inch block, which is going to go in here to attach our mouth to. Got the back of the head. We have the mouth, which is ready. We're going to use a 1 inch hinge for the mouth. We've got 2 of these hooks here. One of these will go into the bottom, which we'll put a rubber band on, and then to the bottom of the body. The other one we have in here for our spring to attach to. Got 24-inch nylon string. We have a 3-inch spring we're going to use. We've got these 2 eye hooks. One will be put here on the mouth. That's for the spring to attach to go to the top of the head. That'll close the mouth for you. The one back here is to tie our string to, which will go down through the neck. And we have a 1-inch ring, which we'll use. So we've got everything here to get it hooked up. We've sanded it all down real good. So our next step is we're going to start working on the mouth, which is really your most important part. We have our 2 ears with 1-inch screws, so we'll glue these into the side of the head. On this side. These will get screwed in here and glued. So like I said, our next step is we're going to start putting the mouth together. We have a 1-inch stick for this one. It's bored out here. That's for our string to go down through. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. Thanks for watching.